If we want to create any web page, we actually need the HTML. And if we want to styling the web page, if we want to style the web page, we need CSS. This is the importance of HTML and CSS for animating the web page. We actually need JavaScript. So in this tutorial we are going to create a QR code generator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So at first we need the skeleton of HTML. That means where we will actually write our codes. So we will click this exclamatory sign, and then this is actually the skeleton of these two text body text. These two body text tag the starting and ending tag. Here we will write our text for creating the web page. So first, at the beginning, this is the body tag. Okay, so we actually need a div. So we actually need a div. We actually need a div tag. This is the div. Here we will write the blocks of code. So and for connecting this block to any CSS code, that means CSS block, we need actually class. So this is class, and we will name the class as box. Okay, so we are going to design a QR code generator. So first we need the header of the generator, so that we need a header tag. We will use header 1, and we will write a text that means QR code generator. So okay, now we need another div. That means the div will be inside first div. So another div for containing our images, that means the images of QR code. So another div. Here we will put our image. That means we need an image tag. We need image tag. So we need a class for designing. Use for why we need class? For connecting the div with our css, connecting our div with our css course, css blocks. So class, and we'll give the name actually is pic. So we need image tag. Our source will be the location of the image. So this is the image. Okay, now save. Now if we see the web page, we'll use the CSS for styling the HTML tags. Okay, now we need from and button, so we will copy this div and simply paste, copy and paste. Okay, this div and the name of the class of this div from input, the type. Why we need id for input? Connecting this tag, for connecting this tag, input tag with JavaScript, we need id. Also same, if we connect this button with JavaScript, we need this id. Okay, now if we save these blocks of code, save, refreshing. Now if we go to, okay, now this is the visualization of the text. Okay, this is the visualization of the text. Here is the button and this is the from. Okay, next. Now we will style the HTML. First we for writing the CSS, we actually need the style between the starting head and closing it. So style okay, we will style our body. So this is the body, that means our margin is 0. What is actually the margin of the body in CSS? That means the margin 0 means margin in CSS. CSS margin. If we see this picture, the pictorial representation. The margin top, margin 0 means there will be no margin left, margin right, and margin bottom. There will be, the value will be 0. The value definitely will be 0. If we see these two images, if we see this image, your margin value is, the top margin 48 and the left margin 16, right margin 16 and bottom 64. If the value is 0, that means there will not be any margin. Now the height. This is the height. Body display will be flex. The value of the display will be flex. If we copy this block, that means if we copy this block, copy and we paste, okay, this is the all values and style. That means using CSS, this is the style of the body. So background color here is given, background color is white. We can give as the background color black, no problem. Now saving the documents, go to the now if we refresh, okay, now our background is black. We will use more CSS for designing our HTML tags, that means the HTML codes, and for designing our website. Okay, Now our item will be center, align item center, so our location of the image will be center, and justify content will be center. Okay, display will be flex and height will be this. This all are the values of body. So next, the CSS, that means the box. Okay, we will design style the box. So this is the values of box. Copy and paste. The name will be box. Now save. Okay, if we see the our website, oh, that's actually good. This is actually the style of the QR code generator. That means if we want to change the background color, that means if we use this background color, okay, now save. We go to our website, refreshing. This is actually now the background color. There actually exists more issues and more qualities of the CSS. So now next. Okay, if you work with the header, that means header 1, copy, actually header 1 is in the div, that means class actually is box. Okay, so paste, it will be box, it will be box. The font X large, margin that means 0, font weight 500. You can change the font size. Okay, we can also change the font family, no problem. We can change the font family. Okay, now save, and if we go to our Chrome, okay, now after refreshing, it actually changed the values of header 1. Save. We can change the font family. Now save. Go to the Chrome, moving to the Chrome. Okay, now refreshing. Okay, next. Now we will change the image, that means the white of the image will be 90%. Copy, box, the 100%, and save. Okay, go to okay. Now next actually is the image. This is the values, the values of the image. So the background color will be this. The background color of image will be white. Margin, the given value of margin, padding, border radius, all is actually given. We will actually copy this block, copy and paste. And this will be box.